It's a new 2018 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, engine auto stop-start feature, active grille shutters, integrated navigation system with voice activation, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, aluminum wheels, rear-wheel drive, and V6 engine. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.